my Pandem Widebody C8 Corvette, she's done, boys. She is actually done. I know you don't believe it, but trust me, by the end of today's video, she's done. It sounds crazy. What did they do? Engineering has changed this car. Wow. We also have big house updates today, but first, Corvette. There's just something about this car. She's so incredibly special. Oh, I love that car so much. But, ladies and gentlemen, that's right, we have arrived. The C8 Corvette looking so good. The warehouse is so packed right now. We are running out of space. We got the Aventador Coupe, the 430 Challenge, the Safari, the NASCAR, the Supra. This car being manual swap sooner than you think. It's very, very busy. And the GTR and the Gallardo are gonna be back very soon. Now, I know a lot of you guys love the positive offset. You guys are obsessed with the positive offset. Luke loves it. He thinks about it every single night when he goes to bed. He can't get enough of it, but unfortunately, today, ladies and gentlemen, the positive offset, RIP, cold startup, straight pipe, C8 Corvette, please work. It's not gonna work. It might work. I am a loser. It's not gonna work. Take two. Come on, baby. Come on. I know you want to. Oh, there we go. This thing sounds so good, but the valves were closed right there. Now, the last time you drove this, okay, we had a little bit of an incident. Nothing crazy. Keep it very, very slow. Be careful. And we trust you? I don't think we cannot trust that guy. Let's see it, Luke, make us proud. That thing is so loud. I realize I'm such a bad influence, yet Luke is the one who's gonna go to jail, but it's my fault. But he goes, I'm gonna bail him out though, right? They look so good as a player. Oh, is this happening? I think this is happening. Wait for it, go, 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 go. Baby, Lamborghini, we gotta chill. I just have to give a shout out to this Luke Terry guy. He's not going to jail today. Like, we had no run-ins with the police. That hasn't happened in forever. Now, some of you guys might remember about 2 weeks ago, we were trying to figure out the exterior finish of the dream house, and I asked for you guys' help, and you guys have helped out so much. So many of you guys submitted so many incredible designs. I'm so excited with the finish of this house. Now, on Instagram, I posted a bunch of Instagram story polls. Some of you guys might have seen them, and we, I think, have a winner. Now, we received so many designs, probably at least 100 plus, and there's so many possibilities of how you can design this house, and I was so impressed how many were so incredible. It was really hard to choose one. We received a lot of purple houses with white roofs. We had the one with the gladiator and the swimming pool in the front yard, which was hilarious, and if we could do that, we would, but we're not going to. But there was one design that stood above the rest via the Instagram poll, Emmanuel. This design, you're the winner, bro. I'm so excited about the design and manual finish. The house is gonna look absolutely incredible. So Emmanuel, $1,000 is on its way to you right now. But then also check this out. We got a deck with a roof. Now, a couple vlogs ago, I told you guys that we were climbing Mount Kilimanjaro. So I'm just getting some training in right now, mainly to get a view of our new deck. That is so crazy. So obviously we're gonna have to get all this dirt out here in the future. The future pool, probably like phase 2 or phase 3, is gonna be basically right here. Now, I have kind of a crazy idea, and it might work, it might not, but I'm pretty sure we can get through that window to that roof. We can climb to that roof, we can climb from that roof to that roof, and that roof to the top. That's right, baby. We're back on the roof. If I sprain my ankle right now, Kilimanjaro is dead. Don't do that. We cannot go. Luke has a bad knee. I have a bad foot. Stefan's a mule, and Josh is a legend. We're definitely the weak links, but we're excited and we're enthusiastic. Yay! Yes. Now, if my calculations are correct, and they usually are, I think Luke should go first. It's a weird job, I realize. It also got crazy windy right now. You made that look so much better than me. Sick. We're on the roof though. The roof logs are back. So in the future, this section is gonna be all shingles, and then we see the white sheeting, it's gonna be a metal roof. Check out the view of the cars. It's also incredibly windy. Like 5 seconds ago it wasn't windy. We get on the roof and it's like a hurricane. I see you, Luke Terry, walking the line of death. It's like a scene from Titanic right now. Don't lose that. Oh my gosh, it got even windier. As soon as we get in the line of death, 90% of deaths are on descent, and we gotta find a way down. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be totally fine. I don't know if you guys can tell how windy it is right now, but it looks a lot scarier going this way. How are we gonna, you gotta tuck and roll, right? Tuck and roll? I hope the structural integrity of that roof is solid. We don't even know. There's a couple things we figured out. You don't want to land too hard because you don't want to go through the plywood, and you prefer to roll that way because you have a second shot on that roof. If you roll that way, well, kingdom come, the day is done. We found ourselves in a pickle. We could call the fire department.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, we're gonna go. I'm just kidding. We're not going to. We're fine. We're totally fine. We're freaking out inside, but we're fine. Luke was just saying how people in the comments can be like, "Oh, you're just trying to force the content." No, we're not trying to force the content. This is very scary. Are you okay, bro?
I'm just trying to get down.
Easy, easy. Whoa! He did it!
See?
What?
Not that bad.
That was no big deal. Now I look like a goonie. We're fine. We're definitely not going on the roof ever again, though. That was scary. That was so scary. And then when we looked at it after yeah, anyways, we're fine. Now this moment right now is like 6 months in the making. Finally, the CA Corvette is not gonna look so goofy. It looks so dumb right now, but the wheels are somewhere there. You know, Luke, I appreciate you, and I appreciate your mechanical proficiency. Yes, your proficiency. You're very proficient with a jack, with a ratchet, a socket set. You're great at changing wheels. I'm so grateful to have you.
That's
right. That's right.
Do it.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm gonna assist, but you know I'm an idiot, so it's really on you. We're counting on you. This has been such a long process in the making. As most of you guys know, finding wheels right now is next to impossible. Now, before you guys see the wheels, I gotta give a massive shout out to the boys at the Hamilton Collection for helping me source these incredible wheels. The owner of the Hamilton Collection, he actually owns Fitment Industries, and Fitment Industries was able to find me wheels, source me wheels ASAP in a day and age when getting wheels is next to impossible. Luke is working around the clock. Oh yes, check these out. The Inovio wheels, we got the black face and matte black. We got the Rapid Blue hardware and the Rapid Blue barrel. Those wheels are gonna look so sick. This is gonna look so incredibly sick. Are you kidding me? I also gotta give a shout out to Fitment Industries. Like, it's a one-stop shop. You get the tires, the wheels, you get the TPMS all in one, so it's that much easier and seamless to mount. They're gonna look so crazy. And these tires are so wide. We're talking 355 millimeters wide. They're just as wide as the Aventador.
We're in.
Oh yes, it looks so good. The CA Corvette finally, like I promised at the beginning of today's video, the CA Corvette, ladies and gentlemen, it looks so fresh. I love these Inovio wheels, the Rapid Blue hardware, how it ties in with the calipers, the Rapid Blue barrel. It just looks so meaty, so girthy, so thick. This car turned out so well. This is definitely one of my favorite cars. I know a lot of you guys were skeptical about the Panem Widebody kits, but I think seeing it now with the right fitment, yes sir, yes sir. Now if you guys have a cool car and you're looking for an amazing tire wheel combination, you gotta check out Fitment Industries. I'm gonna link them in the description below. No matter what car you have, you can go online, you can input your car, you can check out their gallery to see what tire wheel combination will fit your car. I just love how it's such a one-stop shop. Usually you gotta go get tires, you gotta get wheels, blah, 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 blah. It's so annoying, you gotta get them mounted. Whereas this scenario, the tires came mounted on the wheels to the house, and bada bing, bada boom, the car looks incredible. Every single thing on this car has turned out so well. It looks so amazing from this front 3/4, the Rapid Blue with the Rapid Blue interior. Now to have the wheels to match it sounds right, but the problem with this car, it has 495 horsepower, which is kind of sort of cute. So visually the car is done, but performance-wise, we still have a lot of work to do. Well, boys, our conquest to wide-body the world, we're getting one step closer. We have the wide-body Aventador Roadster, the wide-body CA Corvette, the wide-body 458. The wheels for that car are going to be here very, very, very soon. The wide-body Nissan GTR, which is almost done. And then, of course, the Urus is going to be wider than you think, sooner than you think. But on that bombshell, we're going to Africa. We are leaving for Africa to climb Mount Kilimanjaro in 7 days. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. Why did you do it that way?
I thought it would sound cooler, but
why?
Oh, that hurt so bad.
Are you okay?
Yeah. There's nothing wrong with
Why did you use your fist? Why did you use your knuckles?
Inovio wheels, it wasn't their fault, it was my fault.
Wow, Luke, use your air. Jeez, get a fist.
Ow! There we go.